Hello there everybody, Richard Arblast here from RWA PAT Limited. Hope you're all having an awesome day. I'll just get straight into this point of this video. I'd just like to give a quick shout out to Dan Jackson, business and electrician coach, Neil McManus from Leicester College, and Ben Smith from the Scolmore Group for taking time out of their day to allow me to ask them questions about somebody my age of 46 trying to get into the electrical industry. I'd just like to thank them for taking an hour out of their time to answer my questions, and it really put my mind at rest and just gave me a starting point of where to go for. So I'll pop links in the description below, and also don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and smash that bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new video, and I'll see you all soon. Ta-ta for now.